Hey kings and queens, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Neefah. I'm a mother of one son. I'm a truck driver. I'm also an entrepreneur. I sell lipsticks, lashes, and purses. And I'm an artist. And you can check out my music right here on YouTube. There's a whole playlist for you. This is Tyrone Square Mall. Did y'all know my granddaddy helped build this mall? Well, I didn't either until I looked at his obituary. I come from a great family, and these past couple of days I've been reflecting on my home. So me and my mom took a trip to Bath&BodyWorks, of course, and we got a candle. All right, y'all, so we got an unboxing. I'm going to unbox some items for you that I got from Amazon. So let's go ahead and open these up. So this is the first item I got from Amazon. These are some pillow covers. So let's go ahead and unbox this box real quick. So this is spotlights that I'm gonna put in both of my plants. I got a plant that's in my bedroom, and then I got a plant that's right behind y'all. Y'all can't see right now, but I'm gonna put a spotlight in there. They came 2 in a pack, so that's perfect. This is actually a chain that goes around your waist. If you watch my live, then you would have seen that black bodysuit that I got from Rainbow. Well, I'm gonna put this chain right around my waist. Let me open this up for you. So it'll look something like this. I thought it was 3 layers, but I don't know, I guess it's not. Well, I'm gonna make it work. So this is the last thing we have to unbox. Hopefully this is my coffee table book, but let's open it up and see. It is, y'all. So this is the coffee table book that I ordered. Hopefully the colors match, because I'm trying to match my burgundy blanket, but it's kind of burgundy, but it's more like along the purplish tones of burgundy. But that's the colors that I want to add. So, I mean, it kind of looked like it matched. What y'all think? Comment down below. Do y'all think it's going to match? Y'all will see when I put everything together, but I have a vision for my home, because I'm gonna be my first client, but I gotta get these pieces piece by piece. So that's what I got from Amazon today. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all, it matched perfectly. Oh my gosh, so excited. So I'm gonna put them over these pillows. See, it messed up right there, but that's what pillow covers is for. So we're gonna work that right on out. So as you can see, that was a little struggle, huh? The zipper was small, so I had to be very delicate. Didn't want to break it, but I love this color combo together. My couch and my new pillows.
Because eclectic is taking various aspects of different design styles, putting them together in a way that it's harmonious, that's unified, and that's balanced, and keeping that in mind. And when you do that, then you're creating a space that feels like you, that feels comfortable, that feels safe. I've talked about this before. There's so many crazy things happening in the world. We need to really understand just how important home is to us. And that is a question I would like to continue to ask you. What is home to you, and what do you want home to be for you? Because home is a place of security, of shelter, but it also is a place that nurtures you, that helps you develop into the person you want to be. There's so much to home. And right now, with everything that's going on, those of us who still have a home, We need to understand just what a privilege it is to have a home. This week, I want you to realizing how important home is to you and how it feeds us, how it nurtures us, how it protects us, how it allows us to be expressive and to create ourselves, Yeah, kind of, but I meant to say to be creative, but it also does foster you. It gives you a place where you can create yourself. This is the nurturing place. This is your hug. Your home should feel like a hug, and it nurtures you so you can go and do all those things that you want to do in the world.